Want to see what your investment performance might look like when investing in life insurance? While no one can predict the future, let's look back 25 years and see how this particular life insurance company has performed. So here you have a historical 25-year average. Now we have a minimum, an average, and a maximum. We have pre-tax and post-tax. Let me explain. Something worth noting, when you invest in life insurance, there's a couple different investment vehicles you can choose from. But a huge benefit of investing in life insurance is its pre-tax growth. The minimum performance in the investment portfolios was 3.93%, but that's pre-tax. So even at a minimum, if you were in a 35% tax bracket, for example, your portfolio, your traditional portfolio, like let's say in a traditional IRA, would have to perform at 6.05% to be able to drop off that 35% taxes you have to pay to equate to what you'd actually get in life insurance. But just looking at the average alone, 6.2% performance, you'd have to average over that same 25 years, 9.54%. Here's the thing though, the 9.54% might be an average, but this 6.2%, any of these numbers on the life insurance side are guaranteed to never go below zero. Then as you can see, the maximum performance of the portfolios was 7.71, which again would be almost 12% you'd have to make over a 25-year running history just to be able to net 7.71% returns. I put those numbers up on the whiteboard for you to see, but here's what they look like right from the illustration. So if you're looking to buy life insurance anyway, and you want to be guaranteed to never lose your investment, purposely overfunding your life insurance policy, if it's designed right, can absolutely make sense. You only pay tax on the money one time when you invest in the policy. All the growth from that point forward is yours, tax-free. And here's a tip for those of you not wanting the US government to tell you when you can retire. Unlike a 401k or IRA, you don't have to wait till you're 59 and a half to pull your money out. You can use the cash value of your life insurance policy whenever you want. Go to protectionflorida.com and click that big button right on the homepage that says schedule a call. That will give you immediate access to my calendar, allowing you to either set up a phone call or a Zoom meeting for us to go over what your numbers look like and how this would work for you. The meeting is free, we'll answer all your questions, and in about 15 minutes, you'll know whether this is right for you or not. My name is Rich Strell. Follow me.